like we're gonna get into the match pretty soon. And here we go, Pokemon Stadium 2. We're gonna see a lot of moving around by Rat, because the main advantage Wolf has here is mobility.
Yeah.
Peach is gonna be using a lot of low end lag attacks like with her float cancel. It's gonna be tough for Wolf to punish. Hey.
Got a few chain grabs, but those platforms aren't going to let them last very long. Oh, I'm surprised
nice
no down
smash. Shield. Ouch, that neck trade. Very fast. There we go. Nice. Ooh, those claw attacks are really huge, but the sweet spots are hard to hit. Nice. Did a turn grab there.
I want to see those side Bs. Down there to side B.
Nice smash for the kill. Nice smash from Rat. Go.
No regrab.
I think he was a little slow on the dash grab there.
He got a regrab though.
A lot of movement from Rat.
Yeah, but he still got hit by the nair. Oh.
It's tough to approach Peach when she's got a turnip in hand. And it's a lot harder to pressure her shield too, because she can just throw it.
These sports matches are working out for him. This Peach is putting down a lot. Ooh. Didn't have a jump. Oh.
It looks like he pushed him off.
Yeah, that's what it looked like. Just like the physical presence.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice. I'm not sure that was intended for that.
Amplified too.
Yeah.
When you reflect, it's pretty funny.
Nice shine out of shield. Whose shine is the biggest? Is it Wolf?
Wolf and Fox are the same size.
Okay.
Falco's is about 20% smaller. Nice.
Nice forward air.
Oh,
Oh, just enough to kill him too.
Sweet spot forward air. Pokemon Stadium 2 had pretty low ceiling as well.
Nice little combo. He gets out of it before
I like how Rat
Peach and
is, he's being conservative in his combo so he doesn't get nared out without a jump.
It's very good. I like when he wave dashes back out of the lasers. It covers so many options. Did you see the kill Rat got on Mewtwo King with the up B down into the edge and spiked him? It was beautiful.
Nice.
Oh, there it is.
Chase that float down.
Rat is on fire. I think VaNz might change characters here. I mean, he didn't look uncomfortable in that match.
Yeah, I don't know. It's just like small details of the matchup he doesn't know.
Yeah.
That's what I think anyway. Of course, Rat bans FD to prevent being chain grabbed.
It looks like he might be. Lucario, no, not Lucario. Okay.
There you go, smash build.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go!
There's just less space for Wolf to move around here. That's the main difference between this and Pokemon Stadium 2.
But there's that platform that can occasionally save him.
Yeah, and the chain grabs are more effective.
That is true. The chain grabs, it's pretty much
my
FD
goodness.
light.
That grounded float up air was fantastic.
VaNz's Peach very fast. That's a quick stock. Doing the lawnmower training on the ground.
Oh, turn around.
Very smart. Oh, got him. Not quite enough to kill. And Peach is, of course, basically on-edge guardable. Forward air.
Ouch. Hit him with the crown. Dash dancing from Rat. Just picking his opening.
Yeah, VaNz is playing very safe right now.
Nice.
Gets his stock.
Covered his landing with the up smash. It's pretty big.
Good tech chase with that turn up. Got him all the way off the stage. Somehow got the balloon with that laser.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, and then there. He went a little too hard for that combo.
He was doing it well earlier. He baited out the nair, but I guess he didn't expect it a second time.
Yeah, he maybe thought he could outspace it or just get in quick enough. Nice shot at shield. I don't think at this percent he's going to have a lot of options at a shine at a shield.
Looks like VaNz is floating above laser height a bit more now.
Yeah.
It's harder for Rat to approach.
Ooh, winky face. Nice pivot grab. Yeah, he's not getting anything out of shine.
Nice air dodge to the platform.
Yeah. Keeping it safe. Oof. Pivot grab.
Nice.
Coverage.
Covered the tech perfectly.
Power shoot. He went a little too greedy. It's like fighting Luigi. You just gotta back off.
Here we go.
Right.
Peach is up in the air, and she doesn't like being in the air. Oof.
Ah,
The classic Rat.
the as and dash.
Peach says this is fun.
Yeah, I think Peach is okay with this. And where will Rat counterpick?
Probably a less FD-like stage.
Yeah, less or more platforms, yeah. But not big boundaries like Dreamland or anything.
Strong underscore battle.
So I don't know what kind of stages Wolf likes. Oh, chic.
VaNz is switching the sheep.
On Battlefield.
3, 2, 1, go!
I don't know. He beat Mewtwo King Chic earlier. Maybe VaNz didn't catch that. So he seems to be handling it quite well. Oh.
Needle grab.
Those tech chases.
He just can't get grabbed.
It seems like almost all of Sheik's moves just put him in that position, and she can just do whatever she wants to him.
Ow.
Oh,
2 stocks gone already.
another shield.
Ouch.
There it is. Nice jab reset. Oh, wow. Using that platform to finish the combo like that. That was quite nice. Rat is pretty much giving up on this match.
Rat smiles. Looks like he's enjoying himself.
I think he knows he needs to figure stuff out, though, because he's going to have to face her again.
Ouch.
Quick match.
Best of 5.
Best of 5.
Yep. VaNz thought it was done. Just gotta win one more.
About to get up.
It's like VaNz is doing something different than Mitsuki.
He's just keeping him on the ground and tech chasing him off the stage. And it works. Mewtwo King, I think, just plays a little too campy.
3, 2, 1, go! Let's see if Dracula Castle works out better for Rat.
Yeah, there's definitely more room. So it's going to require a little more tech chasing from VaNz. But oh, very nice getting the attack out of the jab reset.
You can just hold it.
Yeah, it helped him out a lot there. Ooh. Got to punish that recovery.
No.
Oh, what is he doing? I think he's a little flustered after that last match.
Great DI from VaNz to avoid the follow-up.
Oh, nice down smash. Just catch him out of landing. Very nice combo. Oh, accidental chain. Got him hit off. Might cost him a stock. Ah, not quite enough. Oh, okay. He's side B. I thought he would have lost his jump, but
no, Wolf can act if he gets feet land the side B, so he doesn't lose his jump.
probably a flubbed input there.
Rat's really gotta widen his lead here.
He's getting a lot of damage on this stock.
That's it for that stock. The main problem with Wolf's approach is his nair isn't very disjointed, so you can beat it out pretty easy. So you gotta supplement it with the lasers, like Wolf Rat is doing.
Well, once he gets the combo started, he seems all right. She can't escape him like Peach can. Oh. Okay, nice recovery, but then he just ledge chopped right into forward there.
Exactly even. Wondering for how long.
Nice, nice.
Oh, he's rolling quite a bit.
Yeah,
that might be it.
he's definitely sweating a little bit here, but got him.
Got him with the up smash.
All right, going to game 5.
Game 5. Here we go.
Oh, sorry. Gimmer said no yawning on stream. Haven't gotten a lot of sleep this weekend.
A new take on no Johns. No yawns.
How about no Juans? I don't know. Is Hungerbox out yet?
He did lose the Kirkin winners, so I don't know. Maybe. You know, Zone? Wolf Peach.
Oh, switch back. Just keep mixing it up, I guess. Or maybe he didn't enjoy getting comboed by Wolf. Oh, very nice by VaNz. 3D down smash.
I like how Wolf's dash dancing, or Rat's dash dancing more instead of doing lasers, because Peach can just float above him.
Yeah. Seems to be working out for him pretty well. Couldn't get it. Oh, down throw to up smash. Almost killed.
Got him.
That Wolf scrape.
Nice float out of hit stun.
Nicely done. Oh, the dot face reflected. Oh, they're. Ooh.
Ouch.
And they're out of shit. Gotta be careful around that. Here's a chain grab. That's taking a lot of damage on this stock. He's really got to get the kill. Oh.
Ouch.
Oh,
He angled it too low.
yeah. Oh, God. Oh, what a combo. Nice catch, but that's not going to do him a lot of good. Hey, there's a kill.
He's got some work to do.
Yeah, he does. Oof. That's it. VaNz pulls off the win.